Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Sandy if you happen to be new, and I have an unboxing video today. So this company called QFUN sent me this laminator, so this is a sponsored video, and I'm going to do an unboxing and check it out with you guys and see what we think. So let me get it out of the box and unwrapped, and I'll be right back. I got it out of the box, and look, it's really lightweight. I like that a lot. And it came with a little instruction book, so I've kind of read through that. And then the other really cool thing about this laminator is it comes with, this lid flips up, and it comes with a paper trimmer, which is very cool. And then it comes with a hole puncher. So this will punch out a little hole. So say you have a project that you're making tags or something like that. So this will punch. We'll have to test that out. I'm not sure what this is, so we'll figure that out in a minute. But I like how it just holds everything in here. Does that, and that goes in there. And then this is a corner rounder, which is very cool. Let's see how that fits. Maybe it fits like that. There we go. And then it came with 3 little ring binder clips. So if you want to clip your laminated pieces together. So that's really cool. And it all, oh, maybe this is another blade. Oh, that's kind of cool. Is that a, oops. Oh, yeah, it comes with another replacement blade. That's really helpful. Okay. And then this goes in here. Oh, okay. So this goes down in there. So the extra one you can just keep in there, I guess. Okay, nice. Very nice. And then it also came with some laminator sheets. Let's take a look at these. So I have a link down in my description box below to this laminator. So if you're interested in getting one, it's currently on sale right now. It's on Amazon. So I like that it's on Amazon, so it comes pretty quickly. So there's 3 little smaller. These look like, what size are these? 4 by 6. And then we got 3 of this size, so that's really nice. 6 by 9. And then we have this size. This looks like kind of for a full sheet of paper. Yeah, this is like 12 by 9. And then these look really big. And there's 3, so 3 of each. Gosh, this one's 12. Like 17 by maybe 13. Okay, so 12 different laminating pieces of different sizes. So that's nice to kind of get you started. And then they do sell the laminating sheets, so you can buy those. So I'm going to plug this in. There we go. And before I turn it on, I'll show you some of the other. So here's the buttons there. This is where you feed the laminator in, and it gives you guides for the different sizes, so you know where to put it in. And then it comes out the back. And then they do have this button, so if your laminating sheets get jammed, you can use that button to unjam them. So I think that's good. So when you first turn it on, it'll start at the cold. So if you want to laminate something with no heat, I guess there's special sheets for that. I honestly don't know. Don't know much about cold laminating. But I am going to move it up to the hot laminating, and you use this little mode switch button right here. And, ooh, there we go. And I'm going to do the 3mm. It says it'll take about a minute to heat up, so that's nice. And it'll go from flashing green to solid green. And I thought a fun thing to try to laminate would be a couple of these bookmarks. So I think I might try this smaller size here and do a couple bookmarks. Maybe I'll try, I don't know if I can fit 3. Let's see. Yeah, I might be able to fit 3 in there. Let's try maybe this one. Let's see. Yeah, I think we could maybe try to do these 3, because you want to have room to cut around them. And so I'm going to open up the laminating sheet. I am not an expert laminator by any means. I've been wanting to get one. And so when QFUN reached out to me, I kind of researched the company and told them that I would definitely be interested. So I'm gonna leave about, I don't know, maybe 1/4 of an inch gap at the top, and then we'll try out the hole punch and the paper trimmer and the corner rounder. So I don't know how straight these need to be, because I'll trim them down. Okay, so it has stopped blinking. I'm going to bring this back in so you all can see it. And then I am going to feed this in, and you want to feed it in with the closed side first. And just feed it in. And then once it grabs, then you just let it go. And I'm just holding it so my bookmark doesn't fall out. It's really easy to use. I like this a lot. Oh, this is so cool. And then it just comes out in the back. I'll move it up a little bit so y'all can see. And then it's done. So they say to kind of let it cool for a minute, and to put something heavy on it. So I might put this book on top of here for just a minute and let it cool. All right, so I will turn this off. These buttons are super sensitive, like you barely have to push them. And I guess it stays on the cold laminator till you unplug it. So I'll let that cool off. And then let's try out the corner rounder and the paper trimmer and the hole punch. Okay, so the corner rounder I'm going to try to use once we've trimmed the bookmarks down. So I have kind of a thickish piece of cardstock, so let's try the hole punch. And I like that it has the grabber or the container so your little punches don't go flying everywhere. Oh yeah, that worked. Oops. You got to push it in far enough though. Nice. See, that worked. I hardly had to push down, so that's really nice. I like that a lot. And then let's move the laminator out of the way. So we can see if it did a pretty good job on laminating. Oh yeah, putting the heavy book definitely helps keep it flat. And then I'm going to move this back here out of the way. So yeah, it looks pretty good. Looks laminated down. So let me try the paper trimmer. Yeah, this is cool. I'm so excited because I've been wanting to get a laminator for a while, and I just hadn't pulled the trigger. And I think this laminator, yeah, it'll do full 12-inch wide lamination, which is awesome. Okay, let's try out this paper trimmer here. Alright, so it has a little edge down here that I can line this up on. And I might do a little bit of a border. Let's see. Try to get this straight. That is one thing, I didn't put the bookmarks in there very straight, so that's making this a little bit trickier. Whoa, it cut it like butter. Yeah, that's nice. Okay. And then we'll do a little trim here. Oops. And you don't have to push down very hard on the little trimmer. I messed that up though. That's my fault there on that. That was my bad there. And then let's trim down this side. Oops. There we go. And then I think I'll just use my scissors here. On this end. Yeah, this cuts really nice. Okay, so I just left a little border around the bookmark. This is really, I'm really happy about this because I was planning on selling these at my book fair that's coming up, or my craft fair that's coming up. So let's see. Okay, so you slide that in there. Okay, I did a pretty good job. I'll put that one in there. Yeah, oh, that rounded it really nice. I know that's hard for you guys to see because of the glare. So I'll just have to practice trimming these down to make them a little more symmetrical. But this corner rounder is really nice. Let me try it on here just so y'all can see it a little bit better. So you just slide it underneath there and then push. And that's, I mean, that's really nice. I like that. Slide it under. And then, yep, that works really well. I don't think I'm going to poke a hole in these because I like them the way they are. But yeah, so make sure to check out if you're interested in this laminator. I'll have the link down below. It can do 3 milliliter and, am I saying that right? 3 millimeter, not milliliter, millimeter and 5. So you can do a little bit thicker than this as well. So I definitely will come back and do some other projects because the other thing I want to do is laminate a cover, a journal cover. So make sure to come back and check that out. But I absolutely love the extra accessories. And the price of this was really affordable. I seem to be really, really pleased with this. I love the extra tools that come with this and how they all store in there so nicely. I like that it's lightweight and it does a really good job of laminating. I'm really excited about these bookmarks. I'll trim these other two down. Now I might poke a hole in this one and yeah, that could be cute, having a hole poked into that one maybe. since it kind of looks like a tag. So we'll see. So yeah, so check them out on Amazon, QFUN Laminator. Thank you so much, QFUN, for reaching out to me and collaborating with me. I am super excited. I want to do journal covers. I want to do some more of these bookmarks. And then there's some tags that I want to make with the, so I have a lot of fun projects. So come back. I will be doing more with this laminator, and also check out the link down below, and it is on sale right now, so keep that in mind as well. All right guys, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.